Here's my website pulled up properly. Notice how the terminal is typing in itself? That is JavaScript that does this. When we go back to localhost, nothing's happening there. Do you know why nothing's happening there? If we inspect element and we pull up the console, look at this. It's no good here. Failed to load resource, could not connect to server, couldn't load some of these files. And if we refresh it, it couldn't load them again. So some loaded, some didn't load it. Do you know why that's happening? This is the really unfortunate part, but we're going to talk about this. Let's pull back up the terminal. Let's see what's happening here. This built-in of accept is not ideal. It is a one-shot server. So it creates the socket, it binds the socket, it calls listen on it, and then it gives you one client. Once that client is gathered, it closes the socket for you. This is meant for one-shot processing. So this whole thing blocks. We have to process the entire request and write back to the date or write back to the client before we listen for the next request. That is not ideal. We can speed this up and we can get pretty good, but we can't solve it completely. But let's speed it up right now. The really easy way to do this is to go back into what, the early 90s, or late 90s, early 2000s? I don't know. Back when all web servers were forking. We're going to do the forking method. Let's fork this in the background. So we'll process the request in the background, and then we'll immediately be able to accept the next connection. We still have to create the socket again, so there still is a race condition here, but it will be a lot faster.